How is prison in the USA? What a question. Well, I'll tell you this. I don't recommend it. That's for certain. If it was Airbnb, it definitely would not be a superhost. It's dangerous. It's dirty. We got showers twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays. 23 hours spent locked in a cell. That cell being the size of a closet. And you shared it with another grown-ass man. The 23 hours of lockdown, you have the 1 hour left of the day, which is 3 20-minute meal periods, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Dinner starts at 4:30 in the afternoon, and breakfast isn't until the next day at 6. So if you don't have any food or money from commissary for your family or anything like that, you're gonna be hungry. And yes, we did get yard time, but I mean, at any given moment, they're gonna take away yard. I mean, if it's too hot, if it's too cold, it's too rainy, too sunny, if there's fog, short staff, it don't matter. At some point, they're gonna take away the yard. In the summertime, it's hot and there's no AC. And in the wintertime, it's cold and there's no heater. So like I said, I don't recommend it. And you should do everything you can to stay out of there, the USA and prison.